With the right smart home deals, you can build the futuristic home of your dreams without breaking the bank. Create a hub for your smart home by finding enormous discounts on items like speakers, security cameras, light bulbs, robot vacuums, and more. These devices all integrate with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa to further streamline technology and ease daily life. Let's look at the best smart home devices. Remember that you have in the description the link of all the products. Logitech Harmony Elite. The ultimate universal remote, the Logitech Harmony Elite remote, not only operates your TV but also other smart home appliances. You can use your voice to control your TV and other connected devices thanks to the Harmony remote's compatibility with Alexa. One-touch automation is a feature of the remote control, allowing you to press a single button to start commonplace operations like turning on the TV and lights. The Harmony Elite also integrates with other smart home appliances, providing one-touch control of smart locks, thermostats, lights, and other devices. You can control all of your electronics and gadgets with a single remote by combining up to 15 remote controls and several apps into one simple remote. Philips Hue Starter Kit. The Philips Hue White and Color Ambient Starter Kit lets you create the smart lighting hub for your house. 360W white and color ambience A19 bulbs, one Hue bridge, an Ethernet cable, and a power adapter are all included in the Philips Starter Kit. With the Hue Hub, you can control your lighting using voice assistants like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. With the Hue Color bulbs, you can select from 16 million colors in the Hue app to create the ideal ambience and a one-of-a-kind lighting experience. You can remotely control everything with the Hue app and sync your lighting with music and movies. Anova Culinary Sous Vide. You can master the hottest cooking trend with the best-selling Anova Sous Vide. Just put everything in a pot with water, set the temperature and time, and cook it all to perfection. Using the Anova Sous Vide, you can cook food at the ideal temperature without ever having to worry about overcooking it, resulting in meals that are of restaurant quality. On the gadget or with the Anova app, you can manually set the time and temperature. You can remotely cook using the app, saving you time from standing around the kitchen while your food cooks. The app also walks you through each suggested meal and provides access to more than 1,000 original recipes. Amazon Cloud Cam. The Amazon Cloud Cam is an indoor security camera that records in 1080p Full HD and watches over your house. With the compatible Cloud Cam app, you'll be able to keep an eye on your house at any time from anywhere. When the camera detects activity, you can receive alerts, watch live streams, and rewatch previous footage. You can tailor your alerts so that you only receive important alerts. You can monitor your home in the dark thanks to the Amazon camera's night vision feature. Additionally, the Cloud Cam features two-way audio so you can converse with visitors to your home via the app. The security camera integrates with Alexa, enabling voice control of the live feed on the Amazon Fire TV, Fire Tablet, and Echo Show. Nest Learning Thermostat. The third-generation Nest Learning Thermostat lets you manage your thermostat from anywhere. Technology is used by the smart thermostat to recognize your habits and make automatic adjustments to help you save energy. The Nest thermostat typically reduces heating and cooling costs by 10 to 12% and 15%, respectively, so it quickly pays for itself. Using the Nest app on your phone, tablet, or laptop, you can manage your thermostat from any location. Additionally compatible with Alexa, the smart thermostat allows you to command the temperature with your voice. The Nest thermostat is available in 4 different colors and has a thinner, more streamlined design than previous models. TP-Link Kasa Smart Wi-Fi Plug. The TP-Link Kasa Smart Wi-Fi Plug can turn your electronics and appliances into voice and app-controlled gadgets. The smart plug integrates with Alexa and the Google Assistant to enable hands-free use of your devices. Using the Kasa app on your smartphone, you can turn on lights, appliances, and more from anywhere. Additionally, you can program the smart plug to automatically turn on and off when you're not home, which will help you save energy by controlling the power-hungry appliances. You have in the description the link of all the products. I hope you liked the video. Goodbye.